And next we'll have Christine Tobuenke from ARSLA.
Okay. Hello, everybody. So it's always for me so difficult to speak in front of you in English, so sorry for my accent, but I'm French, so I can change it. If you have difficulty to understand me, don't worry, everything is work on my presentation. So today I will speak about Mixiton, but just a few words of French epidemiology. We have 7 or 800 people who live in ALS in France, and the prognostic vital is about 3 years because a lot of patients make a choice to don't take tracheotomy or gastrostomy. It's very important for the Mixiton. We are a non-profit organization. We have 2 missions: to assist and improve patients and to support research. And it's very specific in France, but we don't have any public support, only private donation. And it's the biggest association in France, but very small budget with 2 million euros. What is Mixiton? Mixiton is the French touch. Everybody knows the French touch, the deux chevaux, the bread, the everything. And as you know, this is a country where you can eat everything very good. Wine, chocolate, foie gras, I think you know that. But when you live with ALS and with the evolution of disease, it's very difficult to continue to eat chocolate, to eat foie gras, because you can eat it. So you have a problem because you can eat. It's very unsafe for people, for caregiver, and for the patients, and they are isolated. And sometimes they don't eat with the whole family, so it's a big problem. And we need to switch the alimentation and to mix, and it's not very good. So I always take an example. You know broccoli. It's very famous, but when you mix broccoli, it's just impossible to eat because it's very sour. Really. Try, it's just impossible. But some caregivers, they are very creative and they find a solution. If you put sugar on the mixed broccoli, you can taste like it is not mixed, and it's very good. So this creativity is the spirit of Mixiton. Donc, what is a contest? Because we launch a contest to help less caregiver to find the solution, to take the pleasure to it. We make it because there is a lack of solutions. There is no book of mix cooking, and we know there is a lot of creativity in all family. So we try to pleasant to make it a contest, and the objective principle is to improve the quality of life of patients. We have 4 steps. The first step is the launch of contest, and to propose a recipe with a picture, because it's very important to see the visual of the meal. As you know, if you have a plate with something not very pleasant to see, you can't eat. The second step is a vote of internet vote. We receive 200 recipes, and internet shows the 30 most recipes. And after, there is a final jury with patients, neurologists, caregivers, and some sponsors. And the next step is a free application. You can find it in Android and on Apple. It's a free application. Just a picture of the final jury. It was on the famous cooking school, École Ferrandi. I don't know if you have, but it's a better school in France. And the final jury evaluates each recipe with the taste of the meal, the visual, the cost, the simplicity of execution, because caregivers don't have a lot of time to cook, and they evaluate if it's suitable for all ALS patients. The winner is, to start, the Roquefort and Pear Mouse, very famous. Black pudding with apples, it's a typically French plate, and the dessert, chocolate and caramel mousse. What is the assessment of the first edition? 200 receipts. It's a lot for the first edition. The communication is not only for ALS people, it's for all people who have difficulty to eat, from Alzheimer, from sclerosis en plaques, every pathology. And we have a lot of relay about press, and a lot of sponsors too. The application, it's very fun. You can download now, it's free, on Google Play and Apple Store. And you have two parts on this application, the receipt, and you can put your comment, everybody can put it, and a practical guide with a sheet device about nutritionist device, about medical device. But what happened now? We decide to launch a second edition with a thematic of Christmas meal. So if you have some idea, you can put your recipe now, and it's open from now to January. But we try to do another thing. The application is good, but the caregiver need to rest, and cooking is a moment of pleasure. So we try to make a workshop, cooking workshop for caregiver, with a caregiver animator, like a group therapy. The first one will take place on January. The second point is a translation of publication in Spanish and in English. I think it will be available on March. And thank you very much, and please download the application.